Supercharge your coding workflow with the power of advanced AI, right on your own machine. Today, we're diving into how to set up and use Deepseek Coder V2 locally, giving you unparalleled iPod coding assistance directly on your development machine. First, we need to get the necessary components ready. This involves ensuring you have the right foundation on your computer to run the model efficiently. Think of it as preparing a powerful new tool for your development arsenal. The next crucial step is downloading the Deepseek Coder V2 model itself. This is the core of our AI assistant, and will guide you through finding the appropriate version to suit your system's capabilities. Once downloaded, we'll move on to the setup process. This usually involves placing the model files in a designated location and configuring any required settings to ensure smooth operation. We'll break down these steps so they're easy to follow. Now for the exciting part, putting Deepseek Coder V2 to work. You'll learn how to integrate it with your preferred code editor. This connection is what unlocks its magic, allowing it to observe your code as you write. We'll explore the primary functionalities, discover how Deepseek Coder V2 can offer intelligent code completions, suggesting the next logical piece of code to save you time and effort. You'll also see how it can actively help detect potential bugs, flagging them before they become bigger problems. By running Deepseek Coder V2 locally, you gain the significant advantage of privacy. Your code and development data stay on your machine, giving you peace of mind and a more controlled and efficient development workflow.